name and...
So, I'm Alphonse Mbula. I'm an ambient artist. I'm specializing in sculpture, in three-dimensional. I'm working with the stone. And I'm sculpting with white marble and granite and any type of stone. My interest is in stone, to sculpting, and also my interest is to bring art in public so that people can see art, people can appreciate art. That's my aim, that's what I want to promote. And also to teach others who are interested to learn this technique, because this technique is very nice, it's very good, and we have resources, we have this material, we have the stone everywhere. Stone in Windhoek, stone in Karibi, stone in Oamaru, you can find all this material around. We need only skill and technique to use them. So, and I have my studio in Soweto, and now I've been invited to work here with mentorship at Jerry Mafambi Art Center now with 4 students. And so far very good, because they are also interested and they are appreciating the technique. So the interest is very big, so that we need only to promote it and to motivate it, and we have to, how we can promote it, how could we teach it in school or in college and everywhere, so that people can see, because it's a material which is very cheap. It doesn't cost us anything. It's very cheap to compare to the other material of two-dimensional. It is, equipment is very expensive, but it's not that expensive also. As longer you know how you're going to work, that's the only thing, yeah.
Okay, and then Alphonse, where do you think Namibia's art is at?
Yes, in my view, Namibian art is, it's going very, some might say very well, but it's not going very well. It depends on if you are talking on education or you are talking about artist. But in general, art in Namibia, it needs a shape, it needs a direction, how it's going to be and how it must be go. And also people must know what is art and what's teaching art. Because here people like me, maybe I find that they are a little bit confused by teaching and by saying art. Because those are two things, but they need each other. You need to develop this through processing of learning. You apply this skill, then you become artist, and then you become professional. Then you become a teacher or you become artist. And in Namibia, that's a thing where people didn't see it. Also, math somehow is because of people or because of public, they didn't also have the art appreciation. Like they didn't learn it in school earlier. When they grow up, they don't have this art appreciation, so that they become the problem. But we have now to bring it out, the reflection of art appreciation, that we must exhibit, we must talk about art, we must have exchange, we must have rest, and we must have artists talking and art in public spaces. You know, it's not only this big monument, it's not art. Well, that's a monument, it's a specific area which was designed for that monument, but we can have art in community where people are. It's a sculpture, and that is how, what that's missing now. And also to provide like the collection is not growing, it's very small. So you see, if you say a gallery and a museum, also that concept is a little bit funny way they handle it, very funny. They don't know what is a gallery, what's a gallery, what is a museum, and the collector, what you want to have. The things that we need to work on those exactly on the specifics that So if I learn a gallery, then I'm learning to exhibit, but when I learn a museum, I'm learning a collection in that museum. Then I have to collect all artwork from all the artists. Yes, but because of maybe misunderstanding how the National Art Gallery should be, but the National Art Gallery here, it is done in the purpose as a custodian of art. They try their best to exhibit and to collect artwork. But they need a space, because the space is very small. We just imagine 20 years, and they still have the same capacity of that building. And now, if you say we make evaluation, how many artists we have every year from those through school, either now it's a university thing, you see, because the block, it's people you teach. Now there's no this community art center like Jerry Mafambi used to do before. Then it's a challenge that you are facing professional and you are targeting that. Then it's a big challenge. Then you need people to have to expand their mind up so that they can reach those targets. Yeah.
Thank you so much.